Hello everyone! Happy day! Hopefully that everyone's day is wonderful and beautiful. So, it's time! Thank you again dito sa ating hashtag request mo awit ko. Granting of request na po tayo. Medyo matagal-tagal bago hindi tayo naka-grant ng request. In fact, ang iba nakakasalubong ko na. Nagsasabi na, saan na yung request ko? Ay, nakakataba po ng puso kasi you're still waiting for me to grant your requested song. Ang saya naman. Yay! Thank you so much for your support. So, this is my lambing today, my apology, and I will grant now your requested song. The song that I'll be granted is a long requested by my cousin. Napaka malapit po ito siya sa puso ko. Nagkaroon po siya ng ambag sa buhay ko, especially during my college days, estudyante pa lang. She's been a part of my struggles on my college days. So, roller coaster po kasi talaga yung college days ko. But, because of her, nakatulong po siya ng malaki for me to survive my journey. And now, up to the time na nag-take tayo ng board exam. At andyan siya para to congratulate me. Sa'yo Bayut, my one and only cousin, napakabait, very supportive, 150%. Sobra-sobra pa nga eh. Hindi pa 150% all out support siya sa lahat ng endeavors ko. Basta kung saan ako masaya dun siya. To my one and only cousin, Dulce Reyes, hi Yots. Thank you so much. Dito ko na lang ipadaan yung pa-thank you ko, but a lot of words, there are no words. A lot but no words. Ayun na nga, na I say thank you to you for all the good deeds that you've done to me since my college days. And you really have a role in my life. Kaya siguro tayo nagkaroon ng closeness kasi meron kang role sa buhay ko at malaking ambag yon para maabot ko na meron ako ngayon. And thank you so much. So yun, maliit lang ito na bagay para na-request mo para hindi ko i-grant. So, alam ko marami kang gustong awit, but I just don't know bakit ito yung ni-request mo. Oh, kasi hindi na ako sweet lately. Busy na tayo. Oo. This time, I'll Be Sweeter by Angela Bofill. So, thank you so much for all everything that you've done to me. Alam mo yan. I cannot enumerate because there's a lot. And from the bottom of my heart, thank you so much. I owe it and I'm so grateful to have you as my cousin. Yay! So, thank you for your support at salamat. Nanonood ka sa portion ko na hashtag request mo awit ko. Diba? Kahit hanggang ngayon, yung trip ko, nag-support ka pa rin at nag-request ka. So, this is just a small thing from you. Your requested song, This Time I'll Be Sweeter from Angela Bofill. Hope you like it. Come on, join me in singing. Share mo to ha. Share mo tapos panoorin mo lagi ha, joke. Para na maka-add ng minutes view. Darling, can't you see what losing you has done to me? I'm not the same girl I used to be. Have a change of heart. Don't leave me standing in the dark. Don't let confusion keep us apart. Come back to me, and I'll guarantee all the tenderness and love you'll ever need. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith in me. Para sa Kanya, bago lahat, have faith to God. Offer it everything to Him. Since you've been away, I haven't seen the light of day. I'm lost without you, can't find my way. So won't you please be fair and let me show how much I care. Say you'll be mine and answer my prayer. Come back to me and I promise I'll be everything's that bright and you your whole life through. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith in me. This time I'll be sweeter. Our love will run deeper. I won't mess around. I won't let you down. Have faith in me. Have faith in me. Bagong paligong baby. Ayan yun. So, di ba? Si Baby Hana. Hi! May andito rin yung apo ko si Shanshan. Ayot, oh. May mga apo na. So, that is, This Time I'll Be Sweeter by Angela Bofill. Requested book song by my one and only cousin, Dulce Reyes. Yuts! Thank you so much for that requested song. Dito sa request mo, hashtag request mo, awit ko mo. Oh, may pa-heart.